here are some more fun things you can do with an oobleck. If I lift this up and I can play with it, I can like throw it back and forth and it turns into a solid. But if I let it go, it turns to a liquid. And if I get it to a solid again, then what you can do is, this is pretty awesome, watch. If I drop it in there, it spreads back out to be a liquid. And if I put my finger in here very slowly, I can turn it around. And as you can see, it is a solid up here, but then there's a liquid that follows behind, which is really cool. And it's because of the force that I'm pushing on it that it's staying like that. But with that, it's not even having any force to it, which is really fun. Oh, it's also called non-Newtonian fluid, which is a cool name, but some people will don't even know what that is, but to those people probably it's called an oobleck, which is pretty awesome. Well, thanks for watching my exhibit. Please look at the board to see some more fun facts about oobleck. And if you really want to see some odd things about oobleck, please watch more of my videos. Bye!